Hi friends, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra and with me is Dr. Naufal Nahas.
Hello.
Dr. Naufal is an orthopedic consultant and let me take his interview for an important aspect called as walk. Let's call this session as walk and talk. I remember these lines, if you walk better in all the streams of life. A person who's used to walking can do this exercise every day throughout the year, everywhere where he is, irrespective of the season, the location, or irrespective of any major comorbidity. In fact, as long as we breathe, from the moment we start till the moment we do it, we can walk. We can walk in one way or the other, and we must walk. Dr. Naufal, being an orthopedic surgeon, can you tell me two major advantages that walk gets to everybody's life?
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Apoor. So, as Sir has already told that walking has to be part and parcel of your life. So, what does this do to your body? So, the main advantage is that it makes you mobile. So, makes you mobile in the sense not only yourself, your entire body, the entire joints and your muscles are mobile. So, while doing a walk, you can also accompany other exercises as well while doing the walk, like a simple movement of your neck can make your neck more stretchable and mobile.
Right. So, one thing is your mobility improves. Second is your joints and your bones become better. Bones are in the center between two joints, and they are two important things. Bone will be formed because walking as a physical activity will improve the cells called as osteoblastic activity. More bone will be formed. And then joints at the end will be more lubricated, will be better. Can you tell me two modifications which a human being can do in his daily routine so that he walks more? Any two modifications that you can think of?
Okay. So, when you consider walking as part and parcel of your life, you must give some amount of time to do walking. So, you choose a particular time in your day to do a particular walking as an exercise. So, the thing is that you change your lifestyle itself when you select walking as an exercise. So, that is one important thing which you change in your life. Plus, when you walk, you see other people also walking along with you. You tend to bring whatever is happening in their life into your life as well. So, it is not only physical but also a mental improvement of your lifestyle.
Right.
So, these are the two things that you can improve while walking.
And I can tell you two important modifications that you can do. Walk while you're talking on a phone. You get a phone, get up and keep walking till the time this call is going to last. Example, if you have a call coming from US and you know it's going to be for 20 minutes, rather than sitting and talking, pick up your cell phone, walk out, utilize that. You won't even realize that you have walked for 20 minutes. You have a choice. Park your car a little distant. Walk back. If you have a choice, drop your kid to the school bus. Do these small things to increasing your walking distance, which is better. Is there a surface that you recommend to walk?
Yes, definitely. When you consider walking, you should walk on a flat surface which is quite even. When you walk on an uneven surface, what happens is that your joints can get hurt. And if you continue walking on this hurt joint, it can lead to something known as arthritis, which can develop quite early. So, walking alone on a even surface should be more preferable.
Any type of shoe you recommend?
Oh, yes. I would tell to our patients as well as the general public that when you walk, you should always consider using a soft cushion shoe so that you don't hurt your heels. So, shoe is always preferred while you walk and it should be soft cushioned.
I'm walking. Will it be beneficial if I walk during the sunlight?
Oh, yes. There is something known as vitamin D, which is synthesized in our skin, and it gets synthesized and gets converted into an active form when it's exposed to sunlight. So, when you walk, in the early hours of the day, it is obviously beneficial to your vitamin D synthesis, which in turn metabolizes the calcium and helps improvement in your bone health. So
Right.
it's better to walk in the sunlight. Yeah.
So sunlight is free of cost.
Oh yes, definitely.
Walk is free of cost. They are two best sources to build up your bone. So friends, walk more to walk more in life. And as our teacher, Professor S.M. Tully, keeps telling us whenever we meet him, eat less to eat more in life. Thank you, Dr. Naufal, for being on this talk. And let's create something more for the public so that they are listening to us and small things that they can modify to improve their health. And finally, they need less of orthopedic services. That should be our aim.
Definitely.
Overall, the society should improve. If the health of the society improves, the nation becomes stronger.
Yes.
So, thank you, Dr.
So,
Naufal.
thank you, sir.